Just imagine, what if I told you there's a hidden AI website where you can use GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Seedream, and Nano Banana, some of the most powerful AI tools in the world, completely free and with unlimited access. Let's get started. Open your browser and search LM Arena. Click the first link and welcome to the battlefield of AI. Here, every major AI model, GPT-5, Gemini, Claude, Nano Banana, Seedream, they all compete against each other. And the best part? You are the judge. Let's begin with the direct chat section. Here, I select GPT-5 and give it this prompt. Write a futuristic motivational quote in Elon Musk's tone about AI shaping the future. And look, in just 2 seconds, it responds. That's powerful. Perfect tone, futuristic vibe, and it's completely free. This isn't just text, it's brand-level content. Now let's head to the image generator. I select both Nano Banana and Seedream. Then I type this prompt, a futuristic samurai standing in neon rain, Tokyo 2089 style, meaning a warrior from the future standing beneath glowing neon lights, giving that cyberpunk Tokyo feel. Now look at the results. Lighting, detail, and mood, everything on point. Both results are world-class. Now comes the most exciting part, video generation. Just click Try on Discord and accept the invite. Boom! You're now inside the LM Arena Discord server, the secret place where all the video magic happens. Here you'll see channels like Video Arena 1, 2, and 3. You can pick any one of them. I'm selecting Video Arena 1 for this demo. Here I type the command /video and give the prompt, a drone flying through an ancient jungle temple with cinematic camera motion. Just hit enter and the AI generates 2 completely different clips, one with smooth camera motion and another with aerial cinematic shots. And if you already have a still image, you can turn that into a moving video too. Just type /image2video, drag your image, and give this prompt. Make the cat slowly open its eyes and look at the camera. And the result? A cute cat that opens its eyes and looks at the camera with smooth, lifelike animation. AI literally brings your photos to life. So that was LM Arena, a hidden AI lab where you can use tools like GPT-5, Gemini, Seedream, and Nano Banana, all in one place. Completely free, completely unlimited. Whether it's coding, creating cinematic visuals, or generating short videos, everything is possible on this one platform. Now you have the unfair advantage that only top AI creators used to have. Now comment AI thumbnail, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create viral thumbnails using AI that double your CTR and make your views literally explode. See you in the next video, and remember, in the era of AI, only those will win who keep discovering new tools.